Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm showcasing two products, but the main one is this MX Master 3S for Mac. And we also have here below that the MX Mechanical Mini for Mac. This is a very fun keyboard with quiet keys. They interviewed people that use Mac and they said they want quiet keys. So even though this is a mechanical keyboard, they are quiet. Okay, and what we're actually looking at is the MX Master 3S for Mac. This is Bluetooth connected to the iPhone 10 right there. As you can see, the scroll wheel is moving the screen. Also works with iPad and iPad OS. You have the mag speed scroll wheel here. You have two buttons, another button here. This is also another button. Then you have this scroll wheel right here. And you can program all of these buttons to match your workflow and to enhance it as well. And these two buttons as well. So two buttons here, scroll wheel, two buttons here. This is also a button and another button there. And on the bottom, you have the on off. And then this right here, you can use to connect up to 3 different devices. So that's nice. And there is your USB-C charging port right there. It fits ergonomically with your thumb in your hand. Here is the charging cord, USB-C to USB-C. It's one of the first ones we've seen that use both USB-C sides, so that's good. And some other details about what this has to offer, such as, like I said, the mag speed scrolling, super fast, and it's comfortable to use in the hand. I've used these types of mice before from Logitech, and they're always comfortable to use. These are available now. Works with Bluetooth, and you can use it for your iMac or your Mac Mini or your Mac Studio or even your Mac laptop, like the MacBook Air or the MacBook Pro. And as you can see, it works with the iPhone if you need it to. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up.